In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Wix seamlessly. If you're looking to streamline your online store's payment processing by linking your Square account to your Wix website, you've come to the right place. Together, we'll walk through this straightforward process, step by step, to ensure your customers can make payments with ease. First off, you'll want to start by logging into your Wix dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your site, from design tweaks to operational settings. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate over to the Settings tab to explore payment management options. It's a good idea to take a moment here to familiarize yourself with what Wix has to offer in terms of payment solutions, so you know you're making the best choice for your business. Next, find your way to the Accept Payments section. This is where Wix lists all the available payment providers you can integrate with to process transactions for your online store. Take a careful look through the list and search for Square. Square is incredibly popular and widely used, offering the flexibility and convenience that many business owners appreciate for both in-person and online transactions. When you spot Square in the list, go ahead and click on Connect. At this point, make sure you're prepared with your Square login credentials. It's essential to enter the correct details to smoothly link the two platforms. After entering your login information for Square, you'll be prompted to grant the necessary permissions. This is a crucial step as it allows Wix to access your Square account and process payments directly. So, make sure you carefully read the permissions and understand what you're authorizing. Once you've granted the permissions, you're almost at the finish line. The final step involves clicking on Activate to fully enable Square payments on your Wix website. Doing this ensures that your store is ready to start accepting payments through Square, offering your customers a reliable and secure method of completing their purchases. It's always a good idea to test the checkout process yourself once the integration is complete to ensure everything is functioning as expected. And there you have it. Your Wix store is now connected with Square, allowing you to handle payments efficiently and effectively. Keep in mind that offering a seamless checkout experience is crucial for customer satisfaction, so it's worth dedicating time to perfect each detail. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need to, and ensure that every step has been correctly implemented. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your newly integrated payment system on Wix.